guys, it is Friday afternoon. I actually stayed home from work today because we had no power for 5 hours, and I just had to stay home and help out with everything that went wrong. So that's pretty much it. I spent a majority of my day in there hanging out with my grandma because I just want to hang out with her sometimes instead of staying in my room. And I knew I wanted to draw something, so I decided to redraw a drawing I did of Kirari and Hikaru from Kirari Revolution, which is a very old show. If you guys heard of it, let me know. But I actually really like it. At first, I didn't like it as much because I thought I messed up on everything, but I actually really like how it turned out. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is how it turned out. Kirari is a little bit tall. I acknowledge that, but for a redraw, I actually really do like it. If you can see it in all its glory. I wanted to make it a video, but this thing took me like 5 to 6 hours to color. It's colored all with watercolor, as you can see, so I couldn't make it a video if I wanted to, but I did add some glittery watercolor on her dress. I don't know if it's gonna show. There you go. You can see it kind of barely, but I added some glitter on it to kind of make it a little girly, but I actually really like it. My grandma was like, yeah, it looks really good. And I read, and she was like, are you going to give it to somebody? I was like, no, I just drew it because I wanted to draw it. She thought I was going to draw it for somebody else, but no. Alrighty guys, it is Saturday morning. I stayed up actually to 5:30 in the morning watching this new drama that I'm obsessed with. I'm almost done with it. I got 5 episodes left actually. It's called Cheese in the Trap, and I've seen it pop up on Netflix a lot, and when I saw the picture I was like, it doesn't look like something I'll get into. Boy, was I wrong. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love the dynamic of this. I like when a drama is different than what is expected for it to be. So I don't know, I'll give you my thoughts at the end of it, but for right now I highly recommend it. It's so good. It's like a thriller. It's like a romance thriller in a way, because the main guy, he's kind of spooky. He's not scary. It's not a scary drama. It's a normal romantic drama, but it's kind of like spooky. Guys, so I made my dinner and I finished the drama Cheese in the Trap. I binged it in a day pretty much, and overall I give it a 9 out of 10. I would have gave it a perfect 10, but the ending is what bothered me, because skip spoilers if you do not want to hear what happened, but pretty much at the ending there's a time skip because something happens to the main girl that really hurts the main guy's feelings, and he was like, maybe I need to rearrange myself and just kind of think if I'm the perfect guy for her. So he pretty much said, I need a break from you, hunty, and I'll come back to you when I want to come back to you. All right. So 3 years go past, and you see everybody's lives, all of her friends doing well, she's doing well, all this other stuff. But the ending was that she ends up emailing him over the 3 years. He never replies. So the ending is her in her house getting ready to eat dinner, and she's like, oh my gosh, I've never tried to understand somebody more than I tried the main guy, but I guess he needs more time to, come back to me or whatever. And then she gets called for dinner, and that's when he replies like, hey, I want you back. And that's how I ended. And I'm like, really? Like, we couldn't physically see her run to him, hug him, and, see that joyous meeting after 3 years. It just ended with him replying back to the email. So I'm just like, okay, is that how dramas want to do me? Alrighty, guys. So I literally have not updated anything all day. But anyways, it's Sunday night. Pretty much went to church, then went to Dollar Tree, then got food from Burger King, and then came home, watched Avatar. I finished the Book of Earth finally, and then tomorrow hopefully I'll finish the Book of Fire, and then I need to move this package. Anyways, and then hopefully I can finish Avatar by tomorrow, and then I can start watching Korra whenever I'm off of work, because tomorrow is my last day of freedom, sadly. Anyways, I'm going to do a little Dollar Tree haul right quick, because I haven't been with you guys all day. I've just been enjoying other things and worrying about art stuff. I know my vlog should have been up today, gomenasai, but it'll be up tomorrow. So my vlog is gonna go up Monday, and then my speed paint or whatever video I put up for my art video will go up on Wednesday or Thursday. So you're gonna get my videos pretty close, but I think that's cool. So I actually got me a file folder thingamabob. It's actually a mint blue, and I didn't know it was dotted, so I guess that's a good thing. I got this mainly because I want my stickers in a more fashionable way. I have them all in like mailer envelopes, which is nice, but I don't want to use all of them for my stickers, so I just got this, and I know this isn't big enough, so I'm gonna have to make some heavy adjustments, because boy, I actually got me, this is sad, I thought I got more than this, okay, wow, but apparently my next two thing is permanent markers. I really want to do another permanent marker video. I don't even know if I did one on this channel. I know I did a Sharpie video. I did that for Miku's birthday, but I want to do another video with just permanent markers, because you can make art with anything. So hopefully you guys can see this well. If you cannot, gomenasai. But yeah, so these are the first set, so you can kind of see them like this. So this is all the colors. So it comes with the yellow, orange, red, green, blue, brown, purple, and black, and then behind it was the second set of the colors. So this is like a magenta. I think this is another red. I'm guessing this looks like a berry type of color, and here's like a yellow, orange, and these are neon. I think these three are neon colors, and then another purple. So I'm guessing those are neon. I don't know. I'm having a feeling these are the neon highlighter colors, and I think this is just another purple. But anyways, I got 16 of these markers, so I hope they work, because I'm going to be super mad if they don't, but it's $1, so you get what you pay for. Hey guys, it is Monday afternoon. My prints for that Valentine's Day drawing I did just arrived. I kind of guessed they would arrive today, because Shutterfly, all of their stuff either comes a day or 2 days ahead in advance, so I'm excited to see what they look like. I'm like, I hope they look good. Let's just see what I got. Okay, these might actually look really pretty, because the way they look on here actually looks really nice. So it's 4x6, and they're matte. I always get matte prints because I like the feel of matte prints. And I got a 40% off coupon. Yay. So here's the prints. Alright, and I did put Happy Valentine's Day on the back of them, so if you order, say Happy Valentine's Day. That's good. So 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh, these actually look super dope. They look exactly like the image. Oh my gosh, these are actually super dope. The colors are like amazeballs. I freaking love this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you. I'm like super happy how these turned out. So you can see it. You can see it. I think you can see it if I put it close. But look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so freaking dope. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Hair looks like a hot mess, but Someone officially bought my Seven Deadly Sin bookmark of Melodious and Elizabeth, and they're getting it for somebody as a Valentine's Day gift, and I'm like I'm freaking out. Ah, I'm so happy. Just wanted to put that in the atmosphere, but yay! And I have a headache, but yes. Ah, I'm so happy. Alrighty guys, so I posted the sketch of this on Instagram, which was very messy. But here's the line art of that drawing. It's Thursday morning, by the way. Anyways, I actually really love drawing Aiko and Rohei together. It's like a guilty pleasure of mine. No guys, these beautiful creatures are not a couple. I repeat, they are not a couple. I think drawing them together will get newer people the idea that they are going out, but they're not. If you're new, these two don't go out. She goes out with a boy named Mitsu, who I draw very rarely, and he goes out with a boy named Hiroki, who you haven't seen in like 30 years. Alrighty guys, here is the finished result of the coloring. The colors came out the way I wanted them to. I'm actually quite upset at Rohei because I don't know, I feel like I could have done more than to color his pants blue. But other than that, I actually really like how this turned out. It turned out really cute, and Aiko's colors turned out the way I wanted them to. Alrighty guys, so it is Friday night. I meant to vlog earlier, but work was hectic, and then we went to my husband Dollar Tree again. And I've just been watching my drama episodes that I just started. It's called Put Your Head on My Shoulder. It's actually really good. I'm on episode 7. I binge watched 5 episodes yesterday night, so I'm trying to binge it to episode 12 at least. So I just thought to open my little package I got today. I ordered the next 2 volumes of Takane and Hana that I was missing. I actually waited about 4 to 5 months to get these because at first I wanted to buy the volume that was out, but I'm like, I can easily just wait to the next one. So hopefully my hands are not that dirty. Ooh, it's so pretty. So here's volume 12. You can't really see it all that well, but yeah, here's volume 12. There's the front. And here's the back. I think this is more of the Valentine's Day issue. Ah, it's so pretty. And here is the newest one, which is volume 13. Hopefully I can show you this in better quality tomorrow morning, so you'll see these twice, because this is such a beautiful cover. And there's the back. I honestly don't know how many volumes this manga will have. Amazon has it up to volume 16, I believe, so this might be a long one, but I'm so happy. Guys, I'm gonna have to reorder me another refill for E00. I had my newer marker for like not even a month and I already killed it. Like, oh my goodness. And this is how much ink I got left. It's not even barely enough to fill it again. So I'm trying to use the ink as much as I can before adding some more drops. But I'm gonna order me 2 of these because I'm like, I use E00 so freaking much that it's ridiculous. Hey guys, I finished both of the bookmarks. His looks super weird. I don't know why, but I feel like I want to make this black. Probably want to make both of these black because he does have floofy black hair. So I don't know. Maybe I will make it black. I mean, I like the yellow little bit right there, so I might keep that. But this just looks weird, so I might make it black and then keep the yellow tidbit at the side because that just looks super weird. But I like how it turned out regardless. Hey guys, so this is how the bookmarks turned out. So here's Tanjiro. And here is Jiu. Jiu turned out really cute. I say to cut off a lot of these to make them look the same size because they were kind of big, but they actually turned out pretty okay. I actually really like it. So I have two more left. I just got Nezuko and the other guy. I think I might wait to do Nezuko because all of my grays and blacks are dying on me. So I don't know if I'll be able to get Nezuko done. I might be able to get the other guy done, but I know Nezuko is fairly popular. So hopefully my blacks will last in another picture. But if not, I'm gonna have to just do the other guy just to play safe because I don't want to kill my blacks just yet. Or I can do her and other markers, maybe Sharpie. I don't know. Alrighty, guys. So it's almost 2 in the morning, but I just finished the drama I was watching. It was called Put Your Head on My Shoulder or Lay Your Head on My Shoulder, one of the two. It had 24 episodes, and all of them were like 45 minutes each. If I had to rate it out of 10, I would say a perfect 10 because there really wasn't nothing wrong with it. It's just that some characters in it, I kind of felt like they could have did without, but even those characters had a slight significance to the story. So I would give it a perfect 10. It was really good. The story was it was a pretty basic story, but how they did it was so cute and so smooth. I liked how the couple grew together, and I liked the fact that there wasn't no pettiness in this drama. The couple didn't break up 10 times. They stayed together pretty much. They had their ups and their downs, but they pretty much were like, we trust each other and we're going to get through whatever we get through. And it was smooth sailing. And I'm like, I wish all dramas was like that, but not all of them are going to be like that. But I really do recommend it. It's on Netflix. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you liked it, give it a like, comment, whatever you want to say to me in the comment box below. And I will see you in hopefully another video. Bye.